Guys, this is Jamaica Health Box. This is the Never Tired Roots for the stomach, for the nerves. This is good probiotics. You're supposed to drink at least 10 bottles of this every year. Our herbalist, he drinks about this. He drinks a bottle of this probably every 2 days. I drink 4 ounces when I can get it. I drink 4 ounces of this every day. Just like kombucha, but more importantly, this gets rid of the parasites. Dead cannot feed on dead, and this is fermented. If you eat meat, especially whatever you eat, this is what gets rid of it. 3 bottles of this per week, your stomach, things keep flowing. You want to keep the pipes clean. So it's all about fermentation. So this has been in the business for over 50 years, provided by our famous Rastafarians. The important thing of fermentation is that it gets rid of the microfungus. The microfungus can be produced from vegetables also. If you let things rot in the body, it will go in the bloodstream. The microfungus enters the bloodstream, and through microfungus, distributes across the bloodstream, tumors and cancer starts to spread and grow. So with the roots, it kills the microfungus. So it's not matter how healthy you eat, how clean is your body. Now the roots is great for the nerves, for the gut, for the bones. So balanced nerves, and this also works for high blood pressure because it calms the nerves. It's not a booster. And some people use it to replace alcohol. So the Never Tired Roots is not a booster, but it's for female, for children, it's for everyone of all ages. My first program to heal myself from prediabetes was the nerves. I needed to feed the nerves to balance the nerves. And this I poured into the slippery elm with the arrowroot powder with spirulina, ashwagandha, and cold-pressed coconut oil. This can also be added to your shakes. This is the Never Tired Roots. It's one of our best products and heavily used by the Rastafarians for good probiotics. The root of the tree to build the nerves. 50 years, one of the best roots coming out of Jamaica. It won't explode on you. So again, go to Jamaica Health Box, sign the waiting list, check with your doctors. We highly recommend you reset, rejuvenate, and restore the body with at least 8 bottles of this, or 50 or 60 bottles of this. You'll have a total reset of the body and a total cleanse. Take care.
Get yours today at jamaicahealthbox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106.